In the world of coffee e-commerce, performance is everything. With subscriptions and single-bag sales, every second counts. Let's dive into the 7 warning signs your website might be underperforming. First up, slow page speed and poor core web vitals. If your site takes too long to load, customers will bounce. Check your images, scripts, and hosting. Optimize for speed. Next, high bounce rates or low conversion rates. Identify where users drop off and improve the user experience. A seamless journey keeps customers coming back for more. Now, let's talk about mobile and checkout experience. A mobile-first design is crucial for both subscriptions and one-time buys. If your checkout is clunky, you're losing sales. Hidden technical SEO issues can be a silent killer. Crawl errors and broken links can hurt your visibility. Use tools like Google Search Console to identify and fix these problems. Subscription churn is another red flag. If users aren't returning, focus on their onboarding experience. A great user experience can boost retention significantly. Checkout abandonment is a common issue too. Optimize your payment process and make CTAs clear and compelling. Finally, design and trust issues can turn customers away. Invest in visual credibility, branding, and social proof to convert new customers. By addressing these signs, you can elevate your coffee e-commerce game. Let's brew success together.